Okay, everybody, it's Mike Wetzel again. Just going to show you how to take a report from Trillium and then create the Excel spreadsheet that you'll need to be able to do a mail merge to create your coverage sheets for teachers. So if you go into Trillium and you get a list of teacher duties, this is what comes up. Now, this is a rather small school, obviously, with 9 teachers or whatever. And if you notice the names, you can guess what my favorite baseball team is. But what I've done here is just taken a small staff. Now, again, when I was at Pope, I was doing this with 93 teachers and, whatever it is. So it's a lot larger, but the same steps apply. So basically, what you want to do is, what you want to be able to do here is have different fields for each bit of information. And the problem that comes up with this report is that it puts the course code here and the class that it's assigned to in the same field. And you want to be able to separate those because that's how you're going to be used. In the next video, we'll show you how to mail merge to take all that information. Now, technically, you could use this information, but it's probably better to separate it. So when you get this, again, you're going to print that report. When you go to print it in Trillium, you click on the Save As button and then save it as an Excel file, and then you'll get this. So what you basically want to do is you need to create more. So what we have here, this you want to change to period 1. And but what you want to do is separate those. So go over to the third column, right click on that, and just put insert. And so what that does is inserts a column here for you to be able to use. And then what you want to do is highlight this column and then go up to data, and then you want to click on text to columns. So you want to be able to take text and split it into multiple columns. So you click on that, and then up will come this screen. You want to go with a delimited, which means there's going to be some sort of a character that will separate the text for you. And what we have here is a space. So you go to the next one, and then what you want to do is click this space. And the good thing about it is it'll show you what it will look like. Okay? You're accepting that. We got to do a little bit of change. So you want to do a space. Sometimes there's a comma or a semicolon. You pick whatever it is that distinguishes your information. Click onto that. Okay? So then we're going to go to next, and then it'll show you everything. You're fine with that, and you just finish it. And now what you'll see is it'll ask you, do you want it to go to do you want to replace the contents of the destination cell? It's going to move everything to the right. That's why you wanted to insert a column, because if you didn't insert this column, what it would do was print this information right onto the next one. So you want to say OK. So make sure you make that column, and you'll notice it moves everything over. Now, a couple things you want to change. You got to get up here and add that period 1. And then what you might want to change in this column is period 1 room. And then you can, do what you need to do with that and center it and make it all work out. You'll notice that a class like credit recovery, which we haven't assigned a class, a room to, you'll have to put that in. So basically what you want to do is do that throughout each. So we'll do it again. If you go to E, what you want to do is insert. That'll put you a column. And highlight D, go to data, and where it says text to columns, keep it on delimited. Yours is the space again, and it'll show you what it looks like. Finish. Do you want to move, what it's saying is, do you want to move the information on the right-hand side over? Yes, you do. So we have that. Again, you want to do period 2. Period 2 room. Take this and, format it as you need. And then you can keep going through. So you would do that with every column. You would save that, and then doing it this way will make the mail merge much easier to do. And again, the part 2 of this video is going to be how to take this information and merge it into a Word document so you don't have to do one by one. Again, thanks for this. Talk to you soon.